Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Payoneer to Amazon affiliate, to your own Amazon affiliate account. Now to receive payments, then what you guys need to do is you want to search for Amazon associate. Okay, now in the top, as you can see, after you search for Amazon associate, I hope I pronounced it correctly, as you can see, click on the first result. Now after that, guys, it's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, assuming you already signed up for Amazon associate, then what you guys need to do is you want to click on these three little arrows in the top right, and you want to click on manage your settings and preferences here in their account. Now then you want to click on pay account settings. Okay, so after, guys, you click on account settings, you want to click here where it says let me check here. It's okay, so yeah, you want to click here, it says change payment method. Okay, so after, guys, you click on change payment method, you just need to enter here your own password here. That's what I'm going to do right now. It's going to take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click here this plus button here where it says plus bank account. As you can see, click on it. Okay, guys, so after that you want to click on add a new bank account. Now after that you want to select the bank location. It's United States, because Payoneer currently is located in United States, which is like your US bank account is located in United States. The bank currency is US dollars. The account type, you want to go to your own Payoneer account and you want to click here on your Payoneer. Okay, log in into your Payoneer, and then you want to click here on get paid, and then click on receiving account, and then you want to select USD based in US, this bank account. Okay, now as you can see, this is the account type here is checking. Okay, so the account holder name is this. Okay, account holder name is this, which is account number, and then paste it here. The account number, paste it here. The account holder name, which is your name, okay, which is the same name you use to create your Payoneer account. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm going to copy it again. The account holder name, which is the account holder name, and then the account number, we already added it. As you can see, this is the account number. Now the bank name is this. As you can see, bank name, Payoneer provides you with the bank name, just add it there. Now here it says confirm the account number, just copy the account number and then paste it again here. The routing number, which is this one, just copy it and then paste it here, and then click on save changes. Now click on save. Now you will be able to receive payments automatically to your Payoneer account. Okay, just like me, I receive payments through my Payoneer. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, guys. I try to reply to everyone. Okay, so let me know in the comments, and yeah, drop a like, and see you guys next tutorial.